Test drive the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.